By 2026, money will not be made by working harder, it will be made by working smarter. Crypto and artificial intelligence are no longer trends. They are tools. And those who learn how to combine them early will dominate trading, investing, and digital wealth creation. In this video, I'll show you exactly how people are positioning themselves to make money in 2026 using crypto and AI, even if you're starting with little capital. 2026 is different for 3 reasons. First, artificial intelligence has become affordable and accessible. Second, crypto regulations are clearer, reducing scams and increasing institutional adoption. And third, retail investors now have access to tools that were once reserved for hedge funds. This means one thing: the skill gap is shrinking. If you understand how to use AI properly, you don't need insider information, you need strategy. In crypto, there are only 2 profitable paths: trading, where you profit from price movement, and investing, where you profit from long-term value. AI can be used for both, but the tools and mindset are different. Let's break them down. AI excels at pattern recognition. By 2026, successful traders don't stare at charts all day, they let AI scan the market for them. AI tools can analyze thousands of price patterns, detect momentum shifts, and alert traders before big moves happen. AI trading bots execute trades based on logic, not emotion. They follow rules, manage risk, and operate 24/7, even while you sleep. The smartest traders in 2026 don't ask, "Will price go up?" They ask, "What does the data say?" Most traders lose money because they don't manage risk. AI fixes this by calculating position sizes, stop losses, and probabilities automatically. Instead of guessing, decisions become mathematical. Crypto investing in 2026 is about information speed. AI can read white papers, scan blockchain data, track developer activity, and summarize market sentiment in seconds. What once took weeks now takes minutes. AI helps investors identify narratives early, before they go mainstream. Whether it's AI tokens, real-world assets, or new blockchain infrastructure, AI detects momentum before hype hits social media. Instead of guessing how much to allocate to each coin, AI optimizes portfolios based on risk tolerance, market conditions, and historical data. This turns emotional investing into strategic investing. If you're new, start simple. First, learn crypto fundamentals. Second, understand basic AI concepts, not coding. Third, choose one path, trading or investing. And finally, use AI as an assistant, not a replacement for thinking. AI doesn't remove responsibility, it enhances decision-making. The biggest mistake people make is trusting AI blindly. AI is only as good as the data and instructions you give it. Another mistake is chasing hype without understanding fundamentals. In 2026, discipline beats speed. Crypto and AI are not shortcuts, they are leverage. Those who learn how to use them correctly will thrive in 2026 and beyond. If you found value in this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The future belongs to the prepared.